Good evening, my viewers. Good morning, good afternoon. Thank you for this time. Today, I want us to learn something. And today, we are learning types of microbanking services in America. There are several types of microfinancing banking in America, and these include microloans. We have micro savings. We have the micro insurance. We have the micro investing, and we have the micro leasing, and the sixth one is the micro grants, and the seventh one is the micro banking. I would like to define each and every uh, type of micro banking in USA. And when we talk about micro loans, we are talking about small loans for business or individuals that need financing for specific purpose, such as starting business. You can say startups, or if a customer wants to do a purchase of an equipment, or maybe wants to cover a small expense or a short-term expense, they can borrow that money just to do that purpose. And people like this, especially when they want to buy an equipment, they want to buy a machine to be cleaning their compound. To once they cut grass, they blow the grass, because generally they don't sweep, they just blow with that machine. So it's not like some other countries where you have to buy a broom, sweep and burn the dust. No, here they just blow what they have cut, if it is grass or leaves, especially on fall time. The leaves are falling all over, from all over the place. So you just need a blower. So that's an equipment which is required here to do some cleaning, or if you want some money to do some small expenses. Then we have micro savings. These are savings account designed for low income individuals and small businesses. We have They offer flexible deposit services where people can just deposit as little as $20, $30, $50, and they can save maybe for future use, for Christmas, for holiday, for vacations, and people like that. And the third one is micro insurance. Is a insurance product designed for low-income individuals and small business, covering a range of risks such as health, life, and property. So people like to insure themselves against such risks. You know, here things like floods happen, so people like to insure themselves. Sickness, you see, those are things people would like to save, and also insurance of their properties. You see, uh, anything can happen to your property, your building, your house, your mortgage. So you need to insure it, or your car. So people do borrow such amounts for insurance purposes. The other point, number four, is micro investing. And investing, these are options again which allow individuals to invest in small amounts of money in a variety of financial services, which includes stocks. People wants to buy bonds, uh, mutual funds. People like to save those money for that purpose. And yeah, you want to invest in stock exchange. There are several investment companies uh, with the big banks like Morgan Chase, JB Morgan Chase, the Bank of America, the US Bank. They have investment companies, and people invest on them. And they do stocks in New York, in Wall Street. The other point, number 5, a type of micro banking is the leasing, micro leasing. So these are options for small business and individuals that need to purchase equipment, but not to have the funds to make a large upfront payment. So if somebody wants to buy something big, and that money, they don't want to have the money in cash. So once they get that money, the funds are sent directly to the dealer or the store where they want to get that equipment, and they want to buy it upfront. So instead of paying in credit, so they want to get the money, pay the machine, and they are left paying that amount, so they can get a micro leasing loan or an advance. So they'll be able to do that. The other type of micro finance or micro banking is micro grants, and these are grants for small businesses and nonprofit organizations, NGOs, that need during for specific projects. So they would like to have that kind of a grant, and they'll use it to do a specific kind of work. So definitely these are micro grants, and NGOs can at least explain better. And the last one is a mobile banking. Micro banking services are these they allow individuals and small businesses to manage their finances through their smartphones. They include account management, they want to pay their bills, they want to transfer money from this point to this end, they want to pay somebody, they want to send to their children, their friends for Christmas. So they can use microbanking as a type of microfinance to do those kind of services. And microbanking is mobile banking is nowadays a huge thing, because everybody has a gadget, and those gadgets move money. So today we have learned around 7 types of microbanking found in America, and I think these are replica also in other countries. Thank you. Have a good day.